Operation inspection manuals for each build stage started because the welding crew asked for something there to help support them to ensure the product is finished every time it moves from one stage to another, whether it be welding the frame or welding the entire mixer auger itself. What that is set up for is a checkoff list with pictures of every view of the unit. So then the next stage will check that off, and when they do check it off and it's all clear, they accept it, that they can start their process. Quality or engineering, engineering started this many years ago doing the final inspection. They watch the product run, they watch all the hydraulics being used, the augers run, they listen for noise, they may do some bearing vibration inspections. This was done with a simple checkoff list. As it was given to me to do a few, I did not understand what they were talking about. So what we have created is a 4-view of each and every product with blow-ups and stickers and arrows showing you what you're looking at and what you're looking for. This hopefully is also intended to be exactly what the customer and the dealer's seeing. And as I visit more with dealers, I will get a better understanding of what they're looking at and how they view our product. I think the biggest benefit the customers, dealers will see, as I do intend to visit a few dealers, I will be taking what they give me and bringing back here and to see what we can benefit and use into our processes. As I joined Artsway here, one of my first tasks was to introduce myself to the people on the floor. With that amount of people on the floor, it's very hard to remember names as they're not wearing name tags. So as I introduced myself to everyone, I would take their name down, where they worked, and ask for one problem. Some days they'd have a problem, some days they wouldn't. I made sure I came back for an entire week and asked that same person so I would get to know them. To this day, I still say good morning to every one of them, and I will continue to do that. And I have reached, I would say, 99% of our people, as we've just gained a few new ones the last couple of weeks.
Artsway, how work gets done.